what's going on, guys? We are the Swiggity Shoes. Welcome back to another video. I am DJ J, and this is
DJ AM.
And today we have a very fun rap today. I'm very excited.
I'm very excited too. So guys, this is the raw, uncut demo, and we recorded it like an actual music in a studio, so you get to see a little bit of DJ J behind the microphone and check out our brand new song.
This is going to be insane. I loved it.
Yeah, me too. Good job, buddy.
Alright, everybody, welcome our first rap in forever. It's been a while. I'm ready to get back. Me and DJ AM are ready to get this started. It's about allergies today. Really a problem with everybody. Not everybody, but most people. Let's go, Dio. 100 subscribers coming soon. I'm DJ JE and I'm about to sneeze, cause I got a bad case of the allergies. You know it's the grasses and probably the trees. The cat dandy too in the dust bunnies. So I'm begging you please, cause I don't want to sneeze. I'll even take some natural remedies. So DJ AM, what should I do? Cause all summer long I be like, achoo.
Wow, that was amazing, man. You brought that. You need some answers. You know what? I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I'm about to come through. DJ JE, I don't want you to suffer. The season gets so bad that you might need a puffer. The first thing to do, and you know that I try it, get yourself on that sugar-free diet. I know that last week I bought you some Skittles, but tell the truth now, it did not make you feel well. Sugar in the system brings the body down, suppresses immunity, the sneeze comes around. Then it's essential that you get some oils. Get them from the mother of Lily Brandon Boyle. Yo, you know who that is. It's DJ KB. She's so good to you, she'll hook you up for free. Then take a glass of water, pure and clean. Leave it outside so that the pollen from the trees, yo, it gets in the glass, and then drink that back. It's an old world remedy, a first-class hack.
Never knew that. Thank you. I think I might use it. I'm not sure.
What? You're not sure? Okay, no, for real. I want to know exactly what you think.
Okay, I'll tell you. DJ AM, I think you're full of lies. None of that will stop my watery eyes. I'm DJ JE and I'm about to drop, cause this post-nasal drip, yo, just won't stop. Allergies so bad, the worst you've ever seen. I need to get myself an antihistamine. Don't even know what that means, but this rap is so hot, it's about to steam.
I love making this song cause it helps connect us. We're so hungry for rap, we eat rhymes for breakfast. Allergies so bad, it's about to wreck this. Don't like my suggestions? Well, why don't you check this? Cause I'm begging you, please, change your perspective on the sneeze. You say achoo, you get a blessing from me.
That's true, I say achoo. You're always like, bro, I bless you.
Yes, you killed that, buddy. That was amazing.
You killed it too.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Get that bell ring, and we're almost at 100. What do you got to say about the rap?
Well, I just love that you guys are listening, and we love that you're out there, and make sure you take care of your seasonal allergies.
Yes.